Good morning, beautiful souls. Today is my day too, and we are going to do a different yoga pose. The first yoga pose which I am doing today is Sun Salutations. It is also called as Surya Namaskar or like a friendly hello to the sunrise. It's a series of movements that wake up your body, inviting the sun's energy to join in starting off the day. Each stretch and fold engage your muscles, promoting blood flow and flexibility from head to toe. The flow fosters a connection between your breath and movement, bringing a sense of mindfulness and presence. So, this is not the first time when I'm doing a Surya Namaskar. I always do a Surya Namaskar because it is the best yoga for all of you. Whenever I have a back pain, I always do the Surya Namaskar. It helps me in reducing my back pain. And when the first time I do a Surya Namaskar, I am really puzzled that how do I do? There are different steps and all the things, but I just want to tell you that in your first day, you may not need to follow all the steps because you cannot also follow the breathe technique, but over the time you understand all of those things. So always take a small steps, and no matter you are doing correct or wrong, just take a step and you just see the big changes in your body, in your back pain, in your muscles. So every single day I am founding a new word of yoga. So this time I found the Warrior 1 and Warrior 2. It is also called as Virabhadrasana. So if I don't pronounce it correctly, please correct me in comment section because I never pronounced it before. So basically the Warrior 1 is mainly target your muscle, legs and core, and it promote a centered and balanced feeling. And the second one, Warrior 2, is improve your balance both physically and mentally. So you must try both of the Warrior 1 and Warrior 2. They both have a different meaning and different benefits. So the last yoga pose which I am doing is also called as breathing technique. So basically you have to focus toward your inhale and exhale. It release the tension and promote relaxation and reducing the stress level. By staying attentive to your breath, you cultivate mindfulness, making the practice a meditative experience in the present moment. So I just love all the yoga poses, and if you want to do, you can check the description. And yeah.